A testament to American stupidity. I pity the typical American family. You save your money up all year long to keep up with your neighbors who are on food stamps because of their last trip to Disney World. You book your trip for 4, podunk to Orlando, and drop $1,500 in airfare. You pay approximately $92 a ticket while pretending not to mind that you're online an hour in 95-degree heat with 90% humidity to sit on a car and see still cardboard puppets sing It's a Small World. Your food choices include $10 dried-out hamburgers made hours before and giant, bland turkey legs. Your nighttime entertainment is more force-priced gouged Disney fun, or the option of driving 15 miles and touring one of the worst ghettos in America, the actual armpit of a city, Orlando. The kicker is the two $32, 3-cent, made-in-China Mickey Mouse ears that you bought your whiny kids because you thought it qualified you for Parent of the Year. Then, the real kicker, 4 days later and $3,000 in the hole, you go home and tell everyone what a wonderful time you had, and the vicious cycle of stupidity continues. Disney is the ultimate testament to the rapid, malignant dumbing down of America. Disney World, a perfect crowd pleaser for the uneducated, underachieving, uncultured American public. I'll pass. You get fingerprinted at Epcot? Why? I can go to Europe easier than get into Epcot. And they say they don't keep the fingerprints, so why do they take them? I won't be going to Disney.
I still have no idea what the purpose of this park is. It's not a zoo, not an amusement park. I don't know what it is.
Not a zoo.
I lost my $250 golfer sunglasses in the stupid dinosaur ride, and I never intend to ever go back to Animal Kingdom.
Take your kids if they're being bad so you can punish them.
This ride is the worst ride that I have gone on ever. There is no redeeming quality to this. The best thing that could happen is for the ride to be demolished in a dramatic fashion and replaced with anything else.
This ride is described as having small drops, but nothing is said about dizzying twists and aggressive, jerky movements that gave me whiplash, made my lower back feel like a truck drove over it, and made my intestines scream in agony. If you don't mind this assault on your body, then enjoy the ride. But if you're sensitive in any way, this is one ride you'd be better off avoiding like a plague. Bad dog.
You can never go home again.
The worker Chris at the Slinky ride was very rude and disrespectful. I tried to have a friendly conversation and should almost made me leave. I recommend she be fired.
Sorry, Disney guys. This park is a total no for me. No animals? What is the point of doing such an expensive journey for a zoo with no living animals? I don't recommend it.
Smile, smile, smile. I'm sure the staff are injected every morning with happy smiley serum, to the point if you were to poke one of them in the eye, they would be so happy and jolly and oh so full of magic. There are only 2 rides that our multi-generational family find appealing: the Kilimanjaro Safari and Everest. I tap 1, Charles did, flag 0, traffic, trail, TR left 108, T to RPC, BRD, and